Hey everybody, it's 3 a.m. in Melbourne. Just finished a work shift as production crew in Phil Collins' Not Dead Yet tour in Australia. So that's the t-shirt. Okay, this next lick is Celtic inspired lick. I thought I would do it on my acoustic. And this is in 6/8 time. So I'm feeling this time as 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a... Okay, so let's break that down. So this one uses a lot of open strings, especially on the G string. So starting on the 2 on the G, pull off to the open G and hit the open G again. Then go to the B, hit the 3rd fret and pull off to the open B, then hit the G again. So far. Then back to the 2, open G. Alright, then 5th on the G, open G, 5th on the G, pull off to open G. 4th on the G, pull up to open G, then back to the 2 again. Okay, so far and slowly. Alright, so I'm playing that twice. So this ending bit is open D, 4 on the D, open G, 2 on the G, open G again, and 4 on the D again, and then end on the open G, then a G. So the last bit really slowly. Okay, and so let's play that really slowly, the whole thing. Alright, let's play that a little bit faster. So here's your time, 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the... If you like this kind of small and quick licks to learn every day, consider giving me a subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell button down there so you can get updated whenever I post a video. I'll try to post a video every day. That's my goal for this year. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next lick. Cheers.